If you've had your license revoked, you know you can't drive until you get it back. But what happens when you do get it back? Just how hard and how expensive is it going to be to get car insurance again? First, let's take a look at why your license might have been revoked. The Driver Vehicle and Licensing Authority, DVLA, may revoke or suspend your license for a variety of reasons, such as obtaining your license with fraudulent information, misrepresenting your qualifications, breaching the conditions of your license, or failing to undertake required training. There could be other reasons as well, and the DVLA has the power to revoke your license for any reason it deems fit. It's important to note that a revoked or a suspended license is not the same as receiving a driving ban, which may result from a conviction for driving offences or from accruing too many penalty points. However, a conviction may be tied to a revoked license. For example, if you obtained your license using a fake identity, you might be prosecuted and convicted for fraud. So, will it be harder to get insurance after getting your license back? The answer depends on the reasons why your license was revoked. If your license was revoked for honest reasons, such as a current health problem that makes you unfit to drive, insurance may only see you as a slightly higher risk than normal. But if your license was revoked for more nefarious reasons, such as obtaining it by providing a false information, insurers may see you as a much higher risk because you have shown yourself to be untrustworthy in the past. When an insurer asks you how long you've held a license, this runs from the date you last took a test. If you had to retest before getting your license back, this will mean that you've only held the license briefly, which will likely make your insurance costs a little bit higher. However, in general, having your license revoked shouldn't impact the cost of your insurance very much unless there are extenuating circumstances, such as having to take a retest or being convicted of a driving offence after your license was revoked. It's always a good idea to shop around and get the best deals on car insurance. Comparison sites can take your driver details and query different insurers to return the cheapest vehicle insurance quote. This is especially important if you've had a drink driving ban, as how the insurer calculates risk differs between different companies. Finding affordable cover after a conviction or points is getting harder. It can feel like most providers are just taking advantage of you. Thankfully, you can still find competitive rates by looking at companies sympathetic to your situation. We've partnered with QuoteZone to find the best specialist deals for convicted drivers. Click the link in the description to access our simple form and get a quote from the right providers in just a few minutes. And if you use that link, you'll also be supporting MoneyNerd, so thank you.